Hello and welcome to the Holidu Host Academy. In this video, we will walk you through how to configure amenities for your property. To do this, select the property you created, scroll to Amenities and go through all the amenities and select the ones you offer. Please note that if you configure an amenity, guests will expect it at your property, so accuracy is important. And if you have more than one property, please go through the amenities for each, one by one. When it comes to configuring shared and/or private amenities, please consider these points. If your property features a pool but is part of a multi-property location where all guests have access, the pool should be designated as shared rather than private. Amenities should only be configured as private when only one property has access to them. If you offer amenities that have an additional fee, please insert the cost and select how the amount is charged, for example, per night. You can add or remove amenities at any time from your property configuration in this tab, but if you do, you must inform your account manager so they can request an updated description text to make sure your guests see the correct information about your accommodation. Configuring all the amenities you offer at your property is essential to increasing the visibility of your accommodation. The amenities you configure will be displayed on all channels along with your description text, which is based on the amenities you select for each property. And remember, accuracy is key to providing the best guest experience. Thanks for watching the Holidu Host Academy. See you in another video again soon.